Yes. What's going on, guys? What's going on, guys? This is your boy Joshua Santa here, coming to you live from the UK. And welcome to Rich Reviews. Welcome to Rich Reviews. First and foremost, I want to introduce you to this amazing business opportunity that I've come across. But without further ado, if you can like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay, guys. And this program right here, this is the program of the year of 2022. When it comes to free traffic, this is a program of 2022. And the creator for this program is called Fergal Downs. That's right, Fergal Downs. He is a guy that's been making over 67 figures, online for the past few years, guys. He's absolutely crushing it, making 6 figures to 7 figures online, killing it and helping newbies kill it as well. And they're really killing it, you know. And what I like about his method is that even though it's free traffic, but it's fast free traffic, on steroids. This has never been seen before, never been tapped into before. The way he actually unravels the tips and the tricks and the loopholes to helping your average any individual make money online fast. Okay, guys. So without further ado, I want to start this review. Okay, so let's go. So Passive Pro, beginning by Passive Pro, shows complete newbies exactly what to do to create a life-changing passive income. Now, Fergal Downs has been making an average of $18,000 per month. Okay, guys, as stated on the screen, it says no prior online experience or technical skills are needed. The program also includes a step-by-step training to guide even the most novice of computer users. You know, Four hands-off traffic getting methods included, proven method for making passive online income. It includes the Passive Pro quick start method, so that you can get results on day one. This is the exact method I use to automate my income so that I could move to sunny Spain, guys. Okay, guys. So this is Fergal Downs, man. Humble guy. That's just he just loves to travel, and that's what it's about. Having the resources, the funds to actually fund your world travels. So tired of waking up to no sales, this is what he's been making on a daily basis while traveling, while sleeping, while waking up. That's what the life is about. Okay. So your number one focus in 2022 is what? We all get the, we all got into internet marketing for the dream of passive income. But most methods are anything but that. Passive Pro shows you exactly how to get paid today and every single month without the need to work crazy hours, guys. Because after the quick start setup, the money comes in even when you are sleeping, traveling, or hanging with friends and family, because your income isn't tied to the hours you work. It's much easier to scale up your online income quickly, guys. Okay, so as you know, at work, your manager or your team leader watches over your break or your lunch or what have you. You know, so it's kind of like a regimen. 9 to 5. We don't want that. We want to you want to live a life of abundance. You want to live a life on your own terms, to do what you want, when you want, and how you want. you know it's not about the money, but it's about freedom. It's about the opportunity to bet your life than it was before, and also for your family. And this is actually the training that can actually facilitate that, in the year of 2022. And it's called Passive Pro, guys. Passive Pro. Okay. So scrolling down, as you can see, Fergal Downs introduces himself. So when I started out online, I worked a lot of hours to make very little money, like 1K per year. I was buying course after course, spinning my wheels, trying desperately to make anything work so that I could travel the world while working online. That was my only goal, to see the world. Okay, guys. So, after 4 years of trial and error, mostly error, I finally got a coach. Now, this is important. Now, watch this. I finally got a coach who taught me what actually works when it comes to internet marketing. Long story short, I made over $50,000 in 104 days after discovering what works. So, guys, as stated here, to make it online and to be successful online, you need a mentor. You need somebody that has done it before you, that's gone through the wars, uh, but also a person that's successful and that's actually shown you the tips and the tricks that he's doing, and he's actually laying it down for you on a silver platter. Guys, this is the business to get into right now. Okay, he's made over $50,000 just applying the strategies shown in this. When he first wanted to make money online, he made $50,000 in 104 days. This money is life changing, guys. Okay, and it may be a quite a long time, a few years, but you could be getting making more because of the how fast everything has gone, you know. So I went straight to the airport. He stated that I went straight to the airport after he made that amount of money in X amount of months, and got on a one-way flight to Thailand to train kickboxing with some of the best martial arts in the world. I was finally financially free, and I haven't stopped discovering the world since. But what was the method that this coach taught me? You're looking at it right now. You are looking at it right now. Okay, this is the training. This all important method that allowed me to quit college, make $50,000 in 104 days, and move to Asia is exactly what I'm showing you inside Passive Pro. Okay, guys. So scrolling down further. Okay. So the passive income provides I have no boss, I have no deadlines, there's no one telling me where to go or what to do. You know the feeling when you're at work, office 9 to 5, and you have a task to do. Don't do this, don't do that. And when you finish, everybody has to go. But this business, this training program felicitates, your income. Okay. I'm living my life on my own terms. And that's what it's about. Living your life on your own terms and for your family to be financially stable and financially free. Okay. Now, live the passive income lifestyle too. Here's the thing, although creating a stream of passive income is the key to living the life you always wanted, if you're trying to do it all on your own, you are going to struggle without the proven step by step plan that works. Just like the 4 years of trial and error that I went through. So, initially, we plan to give you a really solid method packed with case studies and video training that would show you exactly how we created passive income in our business. Okay, well, most people struggle in the setup phase and end up doing nothing. I don't want that to happen to you. I want you to get results on day one, guys. Day one. This training program is promising you that you will get results on day one. As long as you follow the training step by step, you get the results in no time. Okay. That's why I'm not just going to teach you how to create passive income. I'm going to give you multiple proven traffic methods, top quality training, guys. Okay. And two done for you recurring income sales funnels, so you can skip the training, skip the technical, and just start making money right away on day one without any effort or hard work required. Okay, guys, Passive Pro. Please, Passive Pro gives you a complete newbie friendly system for creating a passive income that has power to change your life, guys. Why call this Passive Pro? Now, it's plain and simple. You will be making money in your sleep, guys. Okay. I use the exact method we give you inside Passive Pro to fund my worldly travels. This is the exact method that my coach taught me that allowed me to make over $50,000 in 104 days. I give you everything you need to finally create a life changing recurring income. Passive Pro gives you everything you need to start making passive income, guys. Okay. Inside, you'll discover why passive income is the answer and how to get started today. How to get your first recurring income project set up within a few minutes, why most passive income methods aren't actually passive income methods at all, and why Passive Pro is different. The simple no tech skills needed way to create money while you sleep. 4 viral tracking methods that make it easy to get traffic started. Once you turn these traffic methods on, the money just keeps flowing and flowing, guys. Okay, how to get started making a life changing passive income without spending a dime. beyond beyond the tiny investment of a uh, of $13 to purchase this product. Okay, now how to get started making a life-changing passive income without spending a dime beyond the tiny investments, okay, of $13 you'll make today, or to get your hands on Passive Pro. Now, three simple steps to scale things up. Take your passive income to the next level. Fire your boss and live the life on your own terms, guys. Okay. So once you plug and play into the system and you follow through, you follow the training, you're on the way to go. I want to show you before I actually wrap up, guys. Okay, I want to show you a couple of testimonials from real users and real people that have used this program under Fergal Downs, that have been guided. They've been guided by him, and they have been mentored as well. Okay, guys. So without further ado, and also this is an image of Fergal, who's a traveler, been traveling all around the world, enjoying life, living life to the fullest, and that's what's all about. Okay, so first of foremost, introducing Mike Marino. Okay, now Mike Marino, I have been saying that he's saying this. I've been trying to make money online for over 10 years, but nothing seemed to work. I tried being a YouTuber and making money from ads. I tried coaching, joined a bunch of MLMs and network marketing companies, drop shipping on Shopify, and I bought a bunch of courses. Nothing seemed to be working out for me. In the past year, I've been learning about and experimenting with affiliate offers. I started seeing my first results, but my ad spend was way more than my sales. Finally, I met Fergal, and with his course, I found true online success for the first time. After watching this training and being coached by him, it took about half an hour to set up the system that he teaches. In my first week, I made 23 sales and got a list of 100 subscribers. I was in profit in just 3 days, guys. And now I since recurring revenue stream now too, that will keep growing as I repeat the process. The best part was that it was very easy to set up, and all you have to do is to follow the exact steps. Throughout the process of Fergal was messaging me directly on a daily basis to provide direction and feedback, which most coaches charge hundreds of thousands of dollars for. I've been personally paid thousands of dollars for courses, membership, and did not have nearly the level of support that Fergal provides. He's very accessible and will answer any of your questions. Trust me, this is there. I feel that he's genuinely enjoying helping other people succeed. Okay. Now another testimonial, another one is Yogesh Chowdhury. Okay. And he said, "Hey Fergal, your free traffic training method inside Passive Pro is awesome. I started getting results in less than 48 hours, and in just 8 or 9 days, guys. It's not even the end of the month, guys. 8 or 9 days, I earned over $600. Okay, and all of this comes from your free traffic method. Thanks, man. You are awesome." Okay, guys. So, guys, if you're interested, feel free, man. Do not hesitate. If you guys are looking for a free traffic program to get into, this is it. This is the one. Okay, this is the one. This is the business to get into right now. Okay, Passive Pro. Okay, guys. Now, like I mentioned before, the special bonus will be in the link. And if you can like, comment, and subscribe onto my YouTube channel, that would be great. So if you can like, comment, and subscribe on my YouTube channel, that would be fantastic, guys. Okay, so I look forward to hearing from you on the other side. And yeah, take the leap of faith, take action upon Passive Pro, and trust me, you'll never regret it. You will thank me later. You'll never regret it, guys. Okay, so see you later. This is Josh, your boy Josh, Rich Reviews, signing out. Take care. The special bonus will be in the links in the description. Guys, take care, man. Have a nice one. Bye for now. Bye.